With all the snow coming down, the Denver Rescue Mission is looking for volunteers to help with meals this weekend since some of their regulars can't make it in. A lot more people are coming into the shelter right now. Denver Rescue Mission planned on a few dozen extra hands to help them through this storm, but they aren't able to get there because of the weather. This means Denver Rescue Mission has less help than normal to serve more people than normal. They still need help with dinner tonight and all 3 meals tomorrow. Denver Rescue Mission is doing what they can with their staff, but they say your help is what keeps them going.
Yeah, absolutely. We do have some volunteers that we called that were able to get here. We have staff that are coming in from other locations like our administration building that are coming to help. So we're doing all we can to meet the greater need, but it's costing. We have to pay staff overtime that are working second shift and things like that.
He adds storms like this cost them money that they just don't budget for. If you are able to help, Denver Rescue Mission posts what positions they need help with and when online. And here's a list of all of the warm places to stay in Denver along with the Denver Rescue Mission. They'll welcome people until 11 tomorrow morning. We have a full list for you on 9news.com.